All right, welcome back to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. Today we're making the easiest thing ever. I'm making a layered lemon pie, and I decided to make this because my friend Corey said that when I told her I was making soup, she said that it's not soup season. So I don't have a season for soup, but now hearing from Corey made me feel like, okay, maybe people do have a season for soup. I'm still gonna do the soup video, but for right now, we're gonna do this easy no-bake pie. We're gonna put 2 cups of cold milk. That's actually icy. I had it in the freezer waiting. So, and this is 2 packages of pudding mix. This is the instant pudding mix lemon, and it's the 4 serving size, so the smaller box. Okay, and this has to be mixed with the mixer. So I'm gonna be turning this off for now, so you don't have to listen to it. We're gonna get it blended first, and then we're gonna mix it with the blender on medium for 2 minutes. Okay, we're back. I've been beating the lemon and pudding and milk mixture for about 2 minutes. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and the zest of 1 lemon. And we just want to get this stirred in there. It's just going to add it some more extra flavor. The pudding mix, it's just not lemony enough for me. You could leave that out if you're okay with the way the lemon turns out, like that. And it's going to be kind of thicker than what you're used to when you're making pudding, because we put half as much milk that we would use for 2 pudding mixes. So now we're going to take, I have half of a package, an 8-ounce package of non-dairy whipped topping here. And I'm going to take a cup and a half of this mixture here and put it in here. We're going to mix it in with the non-dairy whipped topping. Okay, and then the rest of the pudding mixture is going to go in these pie shells. Now these are these ready-made graham cracker crusts, and you can use these. You can use a big full graham cracker crust. You can make your own graham cracker crust, however you want to do it. I'm trying to do it the summer way, so we're not turning on our oven at all. And just full disclosure, this should make 8 pieces. These little mini crusts, they only come in packages of 6, and I didn't want to buy 12 because then I always end up throwing them away, the leftovers. So I just said, you know what, I'm just going to do 6, and hopefully that'll work out. So there's a little bit left in there. Now we're going to mix this this leftover pudding. We're going to sort of what they call folding it. We don't want to try and deflate this the whipped topping too much. So we want this to be a little bit more airy. Okay, so and then this is going to go right on top of this mixture that we've already done. I'm going to use another scoop, and then fit right on there. Oops. Oh, see, look at this bubbling over. But if you had 8 of these, it would, you would do it a little differently. And then we're going to put some whipped topping on top of this as well. Funny thing, my kids, they've all their lives they ate the whipped topping, and all of a sudden my daughter's telling me she doesn't like the non-dairy whipped topping. It's like, since when? You ate it your whole life. Anyway, okay, so there's a little bit left over of that. Okay, see, I should have 8. I'm going to pound these down a little bit so that they will even out a little bit. And now I have some more whipped topping. That was half of the whipped topping that we put there. And now I have the rest of it here. And I'm just going to make a pretty little decoration on top. Just a little, you don't have to do it like this. You could just scoop it out onto your pies if you like. Again, this is supposed to make 8. I'm only making 6. But if we're having a party for 8 and you had 8 of these, or if you had a whole pie crust, then you'd be golden. Okay. And there you have it. The easiest dessert you will ever make in your whole life. It's a layered lemon pie. It's got just the lemon pudding on the bottom, then a lighter lemon pudding on the top, and then the topping is your normal non-dairy whipped topping. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. You know this was super easy. You know you needed a dessert recipe like this. Thanks.